Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be doing these cute pink polygel nails with butterflies, so if you're interested just keep on watching. So I'm just starting off with my tips that I got from Amazon, which are amazing, and I'm starting off this video with my pink polygel that I have from a kit. I'll link everything below. I'm going in with a stripe of pink, and then I'm trying to incorporate that white, but not really in a line. I'm just trying to kind of swirl it around a little bit, not too much, just be rough with it because we're going to be using our spatula end, and that's how we're going to be basically marbling it. So just dip your spatula into some slip solution and then do this so that it just doesn't stick to your brush as much. And because it's winter now in the UK, I had to put my polygel in a bowl of hot water just so that the polygel can be nice and easy to work with and it's not very stiff. So now I'm just using my brush. You can use any flat gel brush or just any polygel brush, they both still work, and I'm using that with slip solution to just pat that polygel. And I'm not really pulling, it's more of a pat situation where because I just want the design to be exactly where it is, so I'm just patting it into place basically. I'm not dragging it or trying to swirl it further with my brush. So when I like to apply polygel, I like to make sure that the surface is nice and even, because it helps me reduce my filing time, and I don't really like filing too much, so I try to make my application as smooth as I can. For the second finger, I'm going to add that white, and I'm basically going to do another marble, but this one's gonna look a little bit more messy. And I'm also adding this clear from Savvyland, which they kindly sent me, and it's really good. I didn't need a clear for capping my polygel because I was running out of my previous one, and the one I had wasn't as clear. With this Savvyland one, I found that it was quite clear and it was quite easy to work with. It wasn't very stiff, but again, if polygel is stiff, just put it in a bowl of hot water and you'll be fine. So as you can tell, this one's a bit more messy. It's not really a defined marble compared to the other one. And feel free to go in with your spatula and just correct any bits that you don't like or any bits that you want more marbled. And then I'm just patting that into place. I don't know why it looks like I'm being so harsh on camera. The polygel wasn't that hard to push around. But yeah, just make sure that your sidewalls are neat, your nail is not bulky. Don't worry too much about building like an apex at this point, although it would help because it means you can apply less clear to build that apex. But yeah, try not to make the nails too bulky. So for this nail, I was going for a kind of a window space nail, but we'll see what it looks like in the end. But this nail, I basically am doing the marble again, going in, dipping my spatula in that slip solution, and then doing that marble. And then just patting everything into place. Marbling with polygel is quite easy because you don't really need to worry about dragging or blending colors too much. It can be quite messy and you just have to pat everything into place. So it's quite easy in my opinion, but again, practice makes perfect. So don't worry if it doesn't look good in the first go. I know mine definitely was not very nice when I first tried it. So just keep practicing and you'll be fine. You'll get there. Now I'm not going to file that part of the polygel. I was just trying to make it neat, because now I'm going to go in with this really nice iridescent pink polygel. This one is from Yogi. It's from their glitter polygel kit, and it's the glitter shade number 1. Now this one was a little bit stiff to work with. I'm not sure why. It was probably my room that I was in. Like, my house is pretty cold here, so I'm sorry if it looks like I'm being really rough with my nails. But yes, I did also put this in a bowl of hot water, and it was still and it did get stiff whilst I was moving it, so I was trying to work quite quick with it. But as you can see, that window space idea that I had quickly changed into like this fade almost. I was just kind of just trying to fade it up, and I still liked it, and I was like, I'm just gonna do the window space nail on the window space nail on this finger. So that's what I'm gonna do, marbling it again with my spatula, then patting it down with my brush. With Polygel, you don't need to put a lot of pressure. You have all the time you need to work with it. It doesn't cure or set or harden, whatever you want to call it. In order to do that, you'd have to put it under a UV light. So I am doing that for each finger. I'm just not showing it on camera, but I'm putting every finger in after I'm happy with it for 60 seconds under my UV light. And I will link the one I'm using down below. It's very good. It's very strong. I really like it, and I got it from Amazon, so I highly recommend it. And if you're interested on how I put these fake tips on, I just basically glued them on with some nail glue, or you can use some base coat gel. I know that's something that Femi Beauty does, and I've seen a lot of people do it as well. So here I am just adding the Polygel again. I'm using the #1 shade from Yayogi, their glitter Polygel, and I'm just going to apply like a block of that, and then I'm gonna leave the tip clear because I wanted to try out, like, see how clear that Saviland Polygel is. So I don't think I showed it, I'm sorry, but I did do it. You'll see at the end me top coating and everything. So now I'm just patting that marble into place, and I really liked this finger the most for some reason. I usually end up liking my pinky finger the most out of all of them, so I hope you guys like them too. Let me know which finger was your favorite down below. Would you wear these nails? Would you like to wear this length of nails? I know I'm definitely getting a little bit used to them, but yeah, they are fun to wear sometimes, so I do like to put out these kind of videos as well. And here I am just showing a really short, like really short clip of me using that Polygel from Saviland. I'm really sorry, that was probably not even worth having in there, but just to let you know, I did do it. So here I'm just applying a top coat, which I'm not going to cure because I want to apply some crystals and some butterflies, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. I'm gonna make them look nice and shiny and all jazzed up. So I'm just applying a generous amount of top coat. And now I'm going in with my crystals. I'm going in with some light ones and some hot pink ones. These crystals are not Swarovskis. They are from Full Beauty on AliExpress, and they are really good for what you pay for. AliExpress is really cheap. If anyone out there does not know what AliExpress is, it's basically like a much cheaper version of Amazon, with a lot more like variety of products, I would say, that are really cheap because they do come directly from China, and you can get some really good deals in there. So do check that out. I will be linking the butterflies and the crystals down below. They were both from the Full Beauty shop on AliExpress. And now my nails are done, and I really like how they look. They look really pink and cute. And I'm just applying cuticle oil, and that was it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. It was really fun to make these. Let me know what you thought down below. Would you wear these? Has this video helped you? And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.